Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up on Marcela Borges, the woman whose family home was invaded while she was pregnant. People want to know, where is she now? Let's break it all down. Marcela Borges is a Brazilian immigrant living in Florida. She and her partner and young son were in their home when armed intruders demanded a large amount of money. The event got national attention and was dramatized in the Lifetime film Terror Comes Knocking, the Marcela Borges story. Following the home invasion, Marcela and her family cooperated with law enforcement. The perpetrators, including Victor Sanchez and others, were arrested and charged. The public and media spotlight intensified after the release of the Lifetime movie, bringing more awareness to her ordeal. Where is Marcela Borges now? As of the most recent reports, Marcela Borges is continuing to live in Florida with her family. She is working toward recovery from the trauma of the invasion. Marcela Borges lives in Winter Garden, Florida, with her husband, Rubens Laureano Moraes, and their 5-year-old son, Ryan. She has become a public figure in her community through interviews and the film portrayal of her experience. Though she's been in the media, she hasn't taken on a large public role beyond sharing her story, and she appears to be focused on healing and protecting her privacy. Marcela Borges' story is one of survival, fear, and ultimately strength. The film brought a lot of attention, but it seems she's choosing to focus on her family, her recovery, and staying out of the spotlight. What do you think after something like that? Is raising awareness worth the public exposure, or is privacy more valuable? Let me know in the comments.